We're on.
All right, YouTube. Please like and subscribe. This is a lot of fire. This is stupid idea number 2. We're getting a ton of heat from this used oil. So we took, this is a
dish from a satellite dish.
Like a satellite dish that you watch your TV on. And we're going to pour our oil
down it.
I'm not mad at that. I think we need to tilt it a little bit more.
I guess just hold it. Hold it like a man, Ben.
The problem is...
There's fire coming out of the top?
Now there's fire coming out the top.
Wait, I think you might actually... Okay, nope, you're not pouring it into the crucible.
Now there isn't fire. Well, yeah, never mind. There still is fire.
There's going to be fire coming out the top for a while, I think. I'm going to step back a bit because that was kind of painful. Remember, 10,000 views, I light my beard on fire. Maybe before then, I might accidentally light myself on fire. Or like Ben's doing. Look, that's kind of a cool chimney smoke, too. This is what they call carbon footprint. We are burning a third world country's carbon footprint for them. I think that's how it works, right? Do you want to do another can?
Yeah.
Heck, I think this is even your motorcycle's oil.
Yes, this one is. In the words of Leasebug, which she's kind of fun to watch, I'm not mad about this.
I haven't watched Leasebug yet.
She does a lot of girls' products. And so, actually, you know, they do help our beard.
Yeah.
But anyway,
also,
a lot of fun DIYs.
We need to do a video of Jeremy's new cape. We should have recorded me sewing it.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, because we do a lot of medieval reenactment stuff, and we want to get back into it. We relaxed for a little too long. It's one reason why we hooked up the forge again, and why we're gonna starting to sew costumes again, so that way we can get back into it. And I think it's melting.
What?
I think
It's melting.
The duct tape.
Oh. No, that's the oil's over dripping a little.
No, I mean the top of it looks like it's crinkling and melting.
Maybe. And this is Gorilla Tape. See, we put it up to the test. Again, not sponsored. We'd love to be.
Let's light Gorilla Tape on fire!
We could test Gorilla Tape, so they should sponsor us and send us a whole bunch of different types.
So that we can try the different types of Gorilla Tape for them in our forge experiments.
Actually not turning out as bad as I had envisioned. I think we need to come up with a better system to
funnel
it.
Put a funnel at the end. But other than that, it works wonders.
Woo!
Oh, it's out.
where that's not. That actually sounds kind of cool.
It does sound really
down.
cool. I'm pretty sure the Gorilla Tape is on fire now. Doesn't look like it's really burning up. But that definitely looks really cool.
Actually, that does look really cool.
You should like, favorite, and subscribe just for the awesome fire. Because we're gonna.
The tree's gonna do very well.
I think she'll be fine. She's got all that. Whoop! Slipping in the mud.
This is why we do stuff like this when Dad's not here.
Yeah.
And
I think he would actually just watch.
Huh?
That's why we're actually gonna move it farther
Do
over there
that.
in the corner.
Next week we're gonna clean that out and actually use that
Mhm.
like it's supposed to be used.
Our forage area. Oh, and we also made a slag pit out of an old pressure tank.
Compressor tank.
100 psi, 3 gallon. Now it holds slag. And I'll probably do something with the top, I don't know yet.
I was hoping to get this out of here.
Especially since about a month I'm going to be moving. Maybe I should lift it up and then you can take it out. And if need be, run it to the pond. We need a third person recording running it to the pond. Maybe I can hold it in my mouth.
Well, we don't want to burn it.
And
We don't want to burn it.
I'll be the one running it to the pond then.
Woo!
I actually wonder if it was more stable in my mouth.
Hand me those red chin locks. Please. Yeah. Maybe I should go grab my huge handle chin lock.
Probably.
Too late!
Bad idea number. Oh.
Woohoo! That's hot. Who wants to see how hot?
That's hot. How hot?
I don't want to burn my wife's.
Bad thing. That sounded really cool. Put it all the way in. All the way. The Gorilla Tape too. Look at that coming off.
That was hot.
Yeah.
So we just need to come up with a little bit better plan.
Probably funnel the tip a little bit better. All right, now you get it again while I straighten that. Ooh, wow. That's hot. I'm gonna straighten that. Oh, you had to put it right next to the fire.
Oh, oops.
So, are we at 10,000 subscribers already? I think it's right over top.
Yeah, can you tell, Joe? There's a lot more heat in there now.
Yep. It's not melted yet, though. I think we lost some heat.
Well, we lost probably a lot of the heat, but not as much as we would have without.
Yeah, now we'll get more heat again. So that we can start dropping more stuff in.
I wonder about putting a hole on this side
And then just having it stick out of the side.
and just having it stick out of the side.
Why not? We can at least try it. I mean, this is our practice board, our practice
Blast furnace.
blast furnace for blasting.
I like the look of fire.
Doesn't like the look of fire. Down your pants.
Hey! Oh, and by the way, remember how I was complaining about how much the aluminum took off of my cutting wheel? Well, apparently, cutting the whole rim off of the compressor tank finished the rest of my grinding wheel.
Yep.
So, again, Craftsman tools are awesome. Not sponsored by them, but I love them. What I really would like is they've got a multi-tool.
Should I blow out the Gatorade?
Oh, because again, not sponsored by it, but it's water.
Water from a well. Oh, water's good. Ooh, yeah, water. Feel that water. It's actually seeing a difference when you're blowing it.
There we go. It looks a lot cleaner too. Hey, it's getting clogged up.
Work, fellows, work.
Human-powered billows.
Get a better angle of that.
To prove that I can actually blow harder than. Woo! I see stars.
My God, it's full of stars.
All right. Woo! You know, when you get right there,
It's hot.
that gets hot.
Probably clean the lens off again after doing that.
Oh. Hello. Now you see me? Now you don't. We swear we're not drunk
This is water.
because we would be having a
pure vodka, because I would not be spraying it on my head if it was.
a lot more fun if we were drunk. But anyway,
My heart would stop with my medication.
that's true. Never mind. Joe would not be having more fun. And since I've been 13 years without a drink, I don't think I want to change that anytime soon.
Half my life, Ben.
Look at that melt. Look at that. Ooh.
That looks really cool. If it lifts up, we're in trouble. Oh, it's blowing out the other way.
Oh,
There it goes.
that was kind of cool.
Oh, this one's a little
No,
big.
just leave it like that.
Okay.
Yep. The bottom's already
Pulling off. It's elongating.
oh.
Ooh.
Oh. Better grab the spoon. Just tip it. Nope, leave it. So I need a high heat camera
So we can stick it in a little bit.
so we can actually, or we need to make enough money so I don't care as much about the camera.
Either or, work great. You know, either we'll buy one, or you guys can just start paying us money that we'll do stupid stuff,
Or one of our fans can send us one.
and we'll do stupid stuff. 10,000 subscribers, I light my beard on fire.
I don't know why he likes that one.
I don't either. Kind of a dumb idea.
That. I don't know if you guys can see that without me ruining the camera.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
But that actually looks pretty cool.
What in my eye? Right now my eyes are a little burned. The aluminum down there looks blue.
Oh wait. I have spots in my eyes.
Probably from staring at the fire. Actually, probably. It's not the aluminum that looks blue. It's because I'm looking at the aluminum with the spot in my eye.
Because I'm blinking. And I see spot. I see
Yeah.
big spot.
This is really...
See spot. See
you
spot
on the other
run.
side of the camera cannot quite tell how hot this is. Like, if this was a lady, I would date her.
but she wouldn't date you. Ouch.
It's alright, Cassie's watching and she loves me.
Love me, love
Cassie, you'll like and I think she's already subscribed. You'll like,
And hopefully you've subscribed.
hopefully.
We have 68 right now.
Love you, Cassie. She's in Scotland right now.
Scotland Yard?
No.
Oh.
Also, shout out to Gaz, who's right now touring America.
Ow!
Yeah, I'm using gloves, Ben.
I was gonna see if it was liquid. Oh. This is what I had happen to me.
It's not. Dang it. We'll have to stop and reburn it later.
Okay, let's get a lot more in there. This is what happened to me last time.
What more are we gonna drop in? We can't drop in those ones. They're wet. We could drop those two in, but...
We're going to try something and we'll be right back.
I think we may have overcooked